Good afternoon, class. Welcome, class. Welcome back, guys, to school. Today, we're going over. I hope everyone is studying for that math test on fractions. We went over that a couple of days ago. Today, we're going to just go over it. Yeah. Mark, did you study? Have you studied? Okay, good. All right. It's okay. This is just the. This is not a real test. This is. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm trying to think. This is a pre-test, so it's not going to be counted as. It doesn't matter what grade you get, but still try your best on it. Yeah. This is a pre-test. There's nothing. So it doesn't matter what grade you get. It's just a practice. So we're just practicing for a test. All right. So it's okay if you guys didn't do well. If you guys are having trouble, if you guys get some of the answers wrong, that's okay because we're practicing. Yep. So while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and start. You guys can go ahead and start doing some work right now. I have some days I have to take care of. So, yep. Mark, you signed up on your Chromebook? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you one last thing, guys. I will be starting to do a math test. You will be doing a math test on educational.com. It's just like the same day we do a class, like the timetable, but it'll be easier that we can do all that. So you will be graded on that. So right now we're just rehearsing, we're just practicing on the test. It could be on paper right now, but tomorrow, Friday, we will be going over that. So, yep. All right. Let me get some work done, and if you guys need me, I'll be at my desk. If you guys need me today, okay? All right. Yes, Mark. Restroom? Sure. Take the hall pass, but since you are new here still, I gotta explain the rules to you. All right. You can take the hall pass, but I know you'll come back. So yeah. But make sure you have to be back. You have to be back in 5 minutes. Okay. I'm sorry, but it's just the rules. You ready to know? Okay. But I just want to remind you that's all. Your uncle already explained that to you. Okay. That's good. All right. Yeah. Just go to the restroom. Don't worry. We'll be going ahead and doing that. So. All right. So when you come back, just come put the hall pass back when you found it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get work done, guys. So if you guys need me, go ahead. You guys can go and start working. When you guys are done for your works, then the floor will be all yours. So, yep. All right. Let's get some work done. Sorry. Guys, I gotta make this quick. I gotta call the office for something. You guys are not in any trouble, but I got questions. No, Mark, good. You're not any, okay. Mark, go ahead and thank you. You go and sit down. Hi, Principal Thomas. Yeah, this is Mr. Jones here. I have a question to ask you. And then my students are not in trouble right now, but listen. What do I need to do? I was just calling to let you know that starting Wednesday, I will not be here. I have to go take care of some things on Wednesday. Did you say we have to have a meeting on Wednesday? Oh, that's Tuesday. Okay, this is tomorrow. So we all gotta be there. Okay. So yeah, I will get I need a. Can you find me a substitute teacher, and I'll go there. Yep. Don't worry. I'll let the class know. All right. All right. Thank you so much, Principal Thomas. Bye bye. John, that is none of your business. Well, that was rude. What is it, Mark? What did he do? He did what? He was making too much noise on the phone, and when you try to you tell him to be quiet? Oh, thank you so much for your help, Mark. I really appreciate you. Yeah, thank you so much. You know what? That's for that. Um, you'll get a sticker. I mean, no, I'm sorry. You get a reward. Do you want this? I have a last. Do you want the ice cream? I bought some ice creams for us. For the party on Friday that we're gonna have. If you complete your math, if you pass your math test, then don't worry. I will talk to your uncle, and I will also hold on a sec. I'll get to you. I'll get back to you in a minute. Hey everyone, can I have your attention, please? I taught the Principal Thomas, and Principal Thomas says every Friday, when you guys get good grades on your math test, we'll have an ice cream party. He said I got his permission. We can have it, okay? But you must do all your work. So Principal Thomas has given me this. He's given me a work chart. Every time you complete a math work, any kind of work in any of your classes, all the classrooms are going to have the charts. So what that means is every time you complete your math test or any other works in your assignments, you will be rewarded with golden stars. So, yep. So every time you complete a math test or any work, I'll call you up. You can come put a star on your chart. So it has to be. Just make sure you put the star on your chart. Okay. If you guys misbehave sometimes, then we may have to remove some stars for that. So, yep. All right. Yep. Well, there's one more day I need to talk to you about. But I will wait until the work's over. So, yep. John, no talking. That's it. You don't get no star today. I remove. That's it. That's it. You're gonna get a red. Come change your car to red. I'm sorry. Come put this red star on your chart. Oh, one more thing, guys. I gotta let you know. The red star means if you guys get the red star, that means you're in trouble. So, yep. Alright, the blue star means you're not in any trouble, but you just did it. The blue star means you did a little bit okay, but we might have to have a talk after class, okay? But you're not in any trouble, but we just need to have a little talk about class. That's all. That's all you gotta do. Okay, the green one is goodish. The green one is good. So every time you get a B on your Sims, you'll still get rewarded with green stars. Means you did okay, but you need to work on more harder. If it's B, fine. But you guys, if you guys get C's, but you just need to try more better next time. So, yep. All right. I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna teach you something. So give me a minute. I gotta write down the attendance. I gotta fill in the attendance, and then we'll go ahead and then we'll go ahead and start on our lessons for today. All right. Attendance is completed. All right. I'm coming up right now. Okay. All right, class. Now I'm up here. Let me find a pen or a pencil, and we'll do that. So, yeah. Now, what I added on the board is I added some math equations for fractions. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out your Chromebooks. You're gonna go on educational.com. That I added some more work on educational.com. Means you'll be practicing your assignments on there. For now on, all the assignments will get done on a Chromebook. Because Principal Thomas wants us to use educational.com, and I agree with that. So yeah. So all of us teachers are going to be using that. So whatever your other classes has to do, when you all get your work assignments done, and also you will be doing homework on educational.com. So that means if your parents have signed that form, means you could take your Chromebook home and return it at the end of the year. That's up to your parents if that's okay. But yeah. Or I'll tell you what. We'll give you a slip. All right. So when you get home, if you you guys have a computer at home, you can work on. You do, Mark? Oh yeah, it's right. Your uncle says you got a computer at home, so he still wants you. Yeah. Okay. All right. But John. All right. But you have to make sure. He's a man of pet, and I don't know what I'm saying. Yep. All right, guys. Just letting you know. Tomorrow I will not be here tomorrow. Because I gotta go to a meeting at the Board of Educational, but you will have a substitute teacher. Well, some of you guys will know, but my first period class is in the morning, so I should be back in time for you guys. But I will be back before then. So no, as a matter of fact, I will be gone all day. So yep, I got a meeting tomorrow morning. And then I got another meeting in the afternoon at the Board of Education. It's somewhere else there. So, yep. So, tomorrow, I expect you guys be on your best behavior. I'll be back on Wednesday. No, as a matter of fact, the rest of you guys are being good, especially you, Mark. Because you always do good at this class. I'm really proud of you. But John, on the other hand, needs to behave. Yeah, I'm talking to you, John. Let me make one clear to you guys, and then after that we'll go back to that lesson. But let me make one more. Let me make you. What am I saying? Let me make one clear to you guys. If anybody disrespects the substitute or gives them a hard time, we will not have no ice cream party on Friday that I plan. Oh yeah, we can do that. But misbehaves during that time, and if I come back to the bad note for the substitute, saying that you all been disrespectful, there's going to be a lot of problems when I get back. Is that understood? Okay, let's go ahead and get back to the lesson. All right. So Friday, when you take your math test on the on fractions, you're actually going to type down the answer. Instead of writing on the answer, you're going to type down you're going to choose which number to type in for that. So, yep. Once you complete all your math tests, then I will grade it online. And it'll be graded to you online as a kid. Hold on. Excuse me. Alright, anyone have any questions? Nope, we're good? Okay, that's the bell. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Remember, behave on Wednesday. Alright. Alright guys, and cut. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy me teaching again. This time was the math teacher again. We're going to start doing math teachers from now on. Because I'm Mr. Jones. But I'm really not Mr. Jones. I'm just a character, so. Yep. Excuse me. And then later you'll see me playing the substitute teacher later today. So, yep. Alright guys, this is all the video I made. Yep. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please hit the subscribe button if you would love to see some more of my videos in the future. Alright guys, this is it. I gotta go to bed. Over and out. Alright guys, have a great evening. Have a great night, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Over and out.